Greetings to all. This is Muralidharan, Senior Educator and Senior Skills Trainer, Gemini Edu Academy, Parshavatham. This video is specifically to inform about a new job-oriented certificate course which we are going to launch. This particular course is about learning Python with artificial intelligence and learning Excel with the artificial intelligence. How Python can be used with the AI and how Excel can be used with the AI. So it's a very beautiful modules which is currently used in getting used, and most of the companies are expecting AI as such. So everybody can learn. College students, undergraduates, graduates, postgraduates, employed, unemployed, freelancers, housewives, anybody can learn, because Python is a language that doesn't require any prerequisites. See, the most important thing is this: I am covering very, very low fee structure, which is nothing but 12,000 rupees, and that could be paid in installments, because the duration of this course is 4 months, and monthly 3,000 rupees could be paid. So at the time of joining 3,000, and then every month 3 months together 12,000 rupees. The most important additional aspects is this fees is very less in such a way that other institutions, they charge very hefty, but I am charging very reasonable, very low. Along with this, I am giving more free courses like learning about communication skill and personality development, which is worth around 1,500 rupees, and then spoken English freely and teaching, and that worth rupees 6,000 rupees, and then MS Office, Word, Excel and PowerPoint, which actual course fees is 2,500 to 4,000 rupees. I am charging nil. So this three together, total discount of around 10,000 rupees is coming up, which could be given freely upon joining the certificate course. Please do use this opportunity, grab this opportunity, which will be given as a certificate at the end of 4 months, and is very useful. Please do contact me in the given numbers or visit directly to our center. Thank you so much. All the best.